Good evening. It's Friday evening, a little bit before 6 o'clock. I'm down by Victory Liner here on Brill Street. This is a May update. I just wanted to come down. I've been trying to get down here. Finally made it. Went to Barretto for a little bit, and then I wanted to make sure I got down here before it got too dark. So I made it a little bit before 6 p.m. And I'll show you what I can over the next hour. And that's it. This is George from Brill Street, Olongapo City. Here by Slow Wings Unlimited. It's right by Victory Liner here. I'll zoom in here, Victory Liner. Going all over the Philippines from here. A lot of Manila, up to Dau, up near Angeles, and everywhere else. Iba, up north from here. But I'm over here by Victory Liner. I'm going to show you the sign for the prices for unlimited here. The wings, not bad. There we go. Unlimited wings right here on Brill Street by Victory Liner. Can't beat it. Like I said, more Victory Liners here. Over here. But those Victory Liners I just showed you, they're ready to go. These are just waiting in the wings, so to speak. But over here by Wynn Hotel place, if not, always go over to a SVMA or Barretto, and then you can get easy transport. Normally I wouldn't pay as much as I did today. I can take a Jeep over here for like 20 pesos, but normally if I take a trike, it's like 150. But today I didn't want to argue, I didn't want to negotiate. So I asked the guy, they always say, what do you want to pay? And I said, what you charge? He said 200. That's okay. You get me over to Brill Street or by Victory Liner, we got a deal. So he brought me right here. He knew where to go. And it's all good to go. But this is George over here on Brill Street on a Friday evening. I'll bring you what I can from Brill Street, and we'll go from there. But this is George, Friday evening about 6 o'clock on Brill Street. This is West 18th Street going up, right past Victory Liner, going up toward the Rotunda. All the jeepneys are lined up as far as you can see. So they're out here. So they're going all over the place. Everywhere from Subic to up near New Cavalon and all through Barretto. I should say all through Olongapo. But yeah, that's where I'm at. They line up here on West 18th Street, right by Midnight Lady Bar, Entertainment Bar, and South Star Drug. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'll just go and give you what I can. Bear with me. And but come check out Brill Street if you haven't done it yet. Like I tell people, don't be scared. If you contact me and you're in the area, I'll be happy to go with you. But other than that, yeah, come check it out. I've taken people recently over to Olongapo, the Saysay area. So just contact me if you're in the area. We'll work out something and I'll take you around. But if you don't feel comfortable coming by yourself, it's very safe, but it's up to you. I'll just throw that out there. I did a recent poll on my community page about if people wanted a guide or they're comfortable doing it themselves or whatever. But I'm just throwing it out there for you. But this is George here on Brill Street and 18th. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, we'll just walk up here, South Star Drug, and then Midnight Lady Entertainment Bar is right here. I don't know if they gotten going yet. Looks like they're open. Probably not a whole lot going on. Like down here, it's like my Saysay. They get going about 9 p.m. to maybe 5 a.m., 3 a.m., maybe at the earliest they close. My Ponda South shop right there. A&A and A&A Barbershop. Those guys cut hair. Right there. So they're right beside the Panasal shop. Then you got more places over here. Chris one, right there. And all the ladies are kind of getting ready. The staff's getting ready tonight. Like I said, it's pretty early. But I wanted to get down here before it got too dark. And so I could show you some stuff. Now I'll show you more later. My bar here that used to be here is no more. I don't know what happened, but they are out of business. Definitely looks like it right there. I brought that to you before. And down here, they got the bar downstairs still open. And then of course, Alexa Resto Bar is there. Right up top. And then don't forget the street food place over here. Really good. Olongapo Bar and Grill now is here. I'll show you that one. They're there. And there's still barbecue in there. Where's the food that goes around? Different now? Used to be a lady had a stand here, right here. Goes around. Street food.
Street food?
No more, right?
No more, sir.
No more? So now this is new?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so you grill food?
Yes.
Okay, it's a little bar too?
Sir?
It's a bar? And,
Bar
okay.
and grill.
I'll come check it out. Is it open now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come have a beer. What's your name?
My name June, sir. June.
June? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll come in and have a beer if that's okay. Okay, I'll come in. It just changed because the lady's always out here, doing street food. So that's why it's unusual. I come over here a lot, but I haven't seen that. So that's good. I was talking to the guys outside. The lady that normally does street food, I guess is no more. So you open this little bar here, which is okay. They have karaoke, another karaoke bar. And they have cold beer, some food. Try to show you that here. And that's their menu. It's simple but good. And the beer they said was cold. 90 for Red Horse, pesos 85 for SML. This is George bringing you here from Olongapo on Brill Street.
Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to George All About the Philippines. Thank you.
So your name was June, right?
June, sir. June.
Okay. So you have barbecue here, right?
Yes.
Show me what you got. I want to promote your stuff. Oh, intestines. And then chicken feet?
Yes.
Okay. Chicken feet and intestines, yeah?
Adidas.
What is that?
Chicken head.
Okay. Good. Barbecue there. Okay, it's good. What we got over here?
Hot dog.
Oh, hot dog. Okay. Red hot dog. Okay.
Yes. Barbecue.
Barbecue. Is chicken?
Yes. No.
What is pork?
Pork.
Okay, pork barbecue. Okay. So, she said you only been open like 1 week, right? Or 2 weeks? 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks. Okay, that's good. Well, I'll try to bring people in here.
Yes,
I do YouTube, so that's why I'm gonna try to promote your place. I like new places.
Thank you, sir.
I like helping out.
Thank you, sir.
But I like the bar. It's a really nice bar. So yeah, really good.
Sir, my name is very beautiful, sir.
Yeah. I'll tell people to come in here.
Right?
Very nice.
Very nice, sir.
But nice to meet you, Joe.
Very sexy.
And what's your name? What's your name?
JM.
JM?
Yeah.
Okay. Good to meet you. Thank you.
You.
What's your name? Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
What's your name? Juvie?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what's your name? What's your name?
Jen, sir.
What?
Jen.
Jen? And what's your name, sir?
Present.
What?
Present.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But thank you. I'll come back in here again, but I'm glad you're open. I'm just used to, I noticed a change. I'm used to the street lady out here, you know, the street food lady.
Yes.
And I said, something's wrong, something's different. So that's
Huwag
why.
na rin no? Oh, ano sabi ko?
Nosebleed? Nosebleed?
Nosebleed.
But nice to meet you.
Nosebleed?
I'm glad I stopped by here. Thank you. Thank you. I'll come back. I'll come back anytime. Thank you very much.
Come again, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll bring my wife next time. Filipino, yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. So the place upstairs I told you might be closed. It's not closed. Arth Lou is still open as of now. So that's good. And the ladies from Arth Lou, so they're here. So it's still open. I thought they might be closed, but they're still here. But this is George. Now I'm in J Her Karaoke Bar. It's right down below Arth Lou. But I want to show you the ladies here. This is the ladies here. Can y'all say hello? Can you say hello? Can you say hello?
Hello.
Where'd you go? Come here.
Uy, Ben.
Say hello.
Hello.
Don't be shy.
Shy time.
Shy, oh my God, shy. I bet this gentleman's not shy, are you? Can you say hello? Say hello?
No, sir.
Yeah, see? He's not shy. I knew he wasn't shy. But thank you. Rainy night on Brill Street. Really rainy night. Like I said, I think we're going to have an early rainy season. But we'll bring you more tonight, but it's raining pretty good. So I'm going to wrap this one up. But I'm glad to have brought this to you today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This is George from Brill Street.
Please like and subscribe about George All About the Philippines. Thank you.